The enclosed rope fall protection system is intended for use by a maximum of 2 users. No more than 2 users are approved for use on this system. This system requires use of a full body harness with lanyard attached to the back center D-ring at shoulder level. Attachment to D-rings at the chest or hip, or use of a safety belt is not acceptable. Prior to system installation, inspect all components for any damage or abnormality. Any suspect component should be replaced immediately and prior to use. If the system should experience a fall, it must be removed from service and replaced. Contact Fall Protection Systems with any questions about using this system. To install this rope system, start at the bow end of the barge. Remove the anchor strap from pocket A of the carry bag. Secure the anchor strap to the barge by looping it through the lower wall cutout of the wall post nearest the center. Assure the protective wear strip side of the strap will protect against sharp edges on the post cutout. Proceed to remove the rope reel from pocket B of the carry bag. Attach the carabiner from the rope to the anchor strap D-rings. Once secured, climb the ladder to access the top of the barge covers. With the rope secured to the anchor strap and holding the reel in your right hand, walk down the center of the barge towards the stern, paying out the rope from the reel. Upon reaching the stern end, finish paying out the rope and remove it from the reel. Return the reel back to the bag. If the rope is short of the stern anchorage point, attach extension ropes found in pocket B as needed to provide for proper length. For some barge types, as many as 4 or 5 extension ropes may be required. Once ample rope length is established, proceed to remove the ratchet strap from pocket C in the bag. Secure the strap to the rope using the attached carabiner on the D-ring. Once secured, secure the other end of the ratchet strap to the barge by looping it through the lower wall cutout of the wall post nearest the center. Pass the strap end through the ratchet and draw hand tight. Checking to ensure the rope is properly positioned down the center of the barge covers and all carabiners are properly secured, proceed to ratchet tighten the system till it is firmly taut. Inspect the system to assure all components are properly installed and secured. To use the system, attach the harness lanyard to the rope. Traverse the barge covers, allowing the lanyard to follow behind you as you walk. Be mindful of the rope and take care to avoid potential trip hazards while walking alongside it. Observe 100% tie-off protocols at all times while on the covers, and be aware of the other user on the system as well. If user falls and the line shifts or is shock loaded, it may be transferred along the rope line to your attachment and cause instability. It is suggested a retrieval procedure is developed to rescue a fallen user, should it be necessary. Use of a ladder or winch system may be useful for this purpose. To remove this rope system, start at the ratchet end by releasing the tension from the ratchet strap and pull the strap loose from the ratchet to loosen. Disconnect the snap hook from the D-rings and the rope end eyelet and set aside. Unwrap the anchor strap from the barge anchorage point. Place the ratchet and anchor straps into pocket C of the bag. Remove the reel from the bag and set aside for the moment. Disconnect any rope extensions from the system and place them into pocket B of the bag. Using the reel, secure the eyelet end to the reel, and while holding it in one hand, use the reel knob with your other hand to begin respooling the rope system onto the reel. Once respooled, disconnect the carabiner from the anchor strap and place the reel back into pocket B of the bag. Unloop the anchor strap from the barge anchorage and place it back into pocket A of the bag. Secure all the bag zippers and return the bag to storage for next use.